Namaste children, welcome to Crystal Maths. Today we are going to see in class 9 midpoint theorem which is given in textbook. That is theorem 8.9. The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of triangle is parallel to third side. We are going to verify this theorem using paper folding activity. I had taken a triangle and cut and take out from that sheet of paper. Then step 1, we need to fold the corners and find the midpoints in this way. We have to fold this top corner and then just join in this way. After joining it, we should crease this one. So we are getting the midpoint of this side. Similarly, we need to find the midpoint of all the sides like this. For this, we need to fold these two corners and find the midpoint. If we join and crease, we will get the midpoint. Let us mark that one using marker. Let us mark the midpoints of each side. As well, the third side I marked over here. After doing this, we need to take a scale and join the lines. Join the midpoints like this. We need to join these points and draw the line. In this step, I join the midpoints using the line segment over there. Afterwards, we have to prove that one, the line segment which is joining any two sides of the triangle will be parallel to the third side. If I am joining these two sides, that is this line segment should be parallel to the base one. Or if you are taking these two sides, this line segment should be parallel to this. Similarly, this will be parallel to the opposite side. How we are going to see that one? Very simple. Just cut this one and take it out. Cut this and take out. To prove the parallel condition, we have to show alternate angles are equal. If it is equal, we can say that triangle, the lines are parallel. We need to prove this line as well as this line is parallel. So, if we are showing this angle as well as this angle both are equal, we can say that the two triangles, that is, these lines are parallel to each other. This angle as well, if we see that this one, this both are corresponding angles. Either we need to prove alternate angles equal, or if you are seeing these two lines are parallel means corresponding angles equal. If we prove also, we can easily say that the two angles, the two lines are parallel to each other. For that, let us cut this triangle and take it out. I cut this triangle like this. The triangle is there. If I cut this one, we had that one. If I am keeping over here, it is exactly fixing. That means the angle both are coinciding in this way. Both angles are equal. So we proved that the corresponding angles are equal. So the lines are parallel. So this is the first part of the midpoint theorem. Another one what? This is exactly half of the third side. See, this is exactly located in midpoint. So obviously this is what? Half of the third side. So midpoint theorem we can prove like this. Even for extension, this triangle will be congruent. If you keep here and check, this will be congruent in this. As well, if you are keeping here, this place also it will be exactly fixing. So if we are joining the midpoints and then draw the line segments, and it is exact, the four triangles are congruent to each other. The line segment joining the midpoints forming the triangle in middle means the four triangles it will form, the four are congruent to each other. Thank you children for watching. We will see you in next video. Bye.